You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A French word meaning milk in French. How do you say milk in French? Lait. So the T is silent because it's at the end, and most cases the T at the end of a word is silent. So that's your eh sound. Some people say it with an E sound, with an acute accent. That's more the other accent, the eh sound, a more open eh, lait, okay? But in the south of France, people say it as lait, so that's also correct. But the sort of formal academic French pronunciation is as lait. Lait is how you say milk in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.